Hey there, shutterbugs and content creators. Are you looking to unlock Adobe Lightroom on your machine for free? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through a lightning fast method to get it done in a matter of minutes. Let's jump straight into the action. To get started, head over to our website, download the installer, and open it up. This file is required to fetch and set up all the primary assets. Alright, the initial stage is officially complete. To move forward with the setup, just select your preferred language and hit continue. This final phase might take another quick moment to wrap up. Let's go ahead and launch the app to see exactly what we're working with. Time to check out the workspace. As you can see, everything is running perfectly smooth. Head over to our website right now to grab your download.